how it came out. This hair is great. This wig is amazing. I'm gonna tag the vendor that I got this hair from on Amazon, cause it's some good hair. Boss it, when you boss it, what is up, my foxies? I look absolutely crazy. Like, I know I do. So today, I am doing my very first full install. So, I know y'all thinking like, then what the fuck do you be doing when you got your other wigs on? Well, those wigs I just use got to be glue. I never use like the actual like ghost glue, whatever you call it. So today I'll be doing and I got this wig on Amazon. I have to find the vendor. I'll put it in the description below. But this wig is great. Like, it was only $90. And it's Brazilian hair. This is 22 inches. No, I'm sorry. This is 20 inches. But it's curly, so it looks a little short. But I'm also short, so I usually only get 18. But sometimes, you know, 18 be looking like 14. Period. Move! That's icy. Getting on my nerves, per usual. I got this little brush so I can, you know, get into it. Sorry, the video stopped. My alarm just went off because I have a photo shoot today. Do this part? Okay. I gotta melt it on there. Blow dryer. So guys, I completely forgot. I forgot one step that I just did. Cut the ear part. So I just pulled it out, snipped it, and wrapped it like around my ear, like that. So one thing I be seeing a lot of the girlies do is they'll take the lace, as you can see, and cut it in half right here. So like so. I've noticed. All right. So I think this shit is dry. Now I'm gonna cut this. And then her off. But I ain't. It's like I've been seeing the girlies using like a razor blade. I mean, low key, it might be better than these whole ass, big ass, stupid ass scissors though. To do the transition. Is it an earthquake right now? It's shaking in here. I never understood what they did with the back part right here. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, over. And just put some got to be glue on here and kind of like glue down the edges that are kind of like coming up a little bit. Now I'm gonna take some of my powder and start making this the same color as my skin. So I'm gonna use some liquid foundation too. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. Aha! Did it? Bump chicken, chicken, bump chicken. I'm gonna send a picture to my nephew and scare him. Okay. Now, in the back first, right in the middle, is baby. You don't want your hair to be like just all over the place. Okay, so now we're gonna position and see where I want my part to be. Oh baby, this little piece right there by the ears. I'm gonna have to revisit, cause look, like that. We don't want that. Oh, it's plucked. Plucked where? It's giving, I can't see my part. Dude, you know? The girls got big foreheads, so. I also don't like my wigs to be too low because it just be giving it's a wig like that. I need a hot comb. This wig needs a little work. I am cracking up at myself because what if my forehead was this big? Would y'all fuck with me if my head was this big? So I guess it's, oh girl, this cap is coming out in the back. Okay, now I think I have to do the glue part. So I'm gonna do a line. I'm still gonna like do, you know, I'm still gonna have to do some work on this wig. It goes, I'm just gonna take my brush and rub that in like so. And I'm doing a downward motion, period. The girlies have spoken. Not sure if I know what I was doing. Okay, so the white glue is still drying. This shit takes forever. I'm over it. This is why I always just use this, because this whole install thing is just like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I would love for Tay to do my hair. Hi, baby. My mommy does not know how to do her hair. She's struggling. Yeah, my cat likes when I hold her like this. She love that shit. She not trying to escape. Move along. I'm over it. I've done 2 of the glue application. Fuck the 3rd round because I'm tired. My arms are hurting. The blow dryer is just, I'm hot. I'm hungover from last night, so I'm just irritated. I'm about to go get the flat iron so that I can flat iron this hair as soon as I lay it down because I have to start getting ready. So yeah, see you guys in a second. Okay, I'm about to just go ahead and lay it down, oh, lay it down, lay your wing. I'm scared. Oh, I don't think I should. Fuck. Damn. Ooh, ooh, oh, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna let it dry. Damn. Sick of waiting. Okay, here we go. One more time. Everybody's feeling fine. Where's the brush? Now I'm laying it down. Child. Ooh. Michael fucking Myers, yo. And you know what I don't have that I'm thinking about right now? Band. Like the little band thing. Okay, it's been a long road. Been doing my hair for like days. Cut. I'm feeling so good right now. Countertop Sonic cherry wood right now. More green than the leprechaun scene. Tall like Everest, VVS, bling bling. Daddy ate my ass like Saturday's brunch. Then he warmed it up like yesterday's lunch. Pussy get him high, make a nigga wanna munch. What lace? Girl, the one we looking at. I'm stressed. Damn, I left a lot of forehead. Okay, so there's a lot of problems. Okay, so now I'm just going through and cleaning up the front still. Tay, how do you do this? And now I see why they charge $10,000 just to put some hair on your head. It's not for the weak. It's just simply not for the weak. I know some of y'all are literally dying watching me do this because I'm just... I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video. Let's see if a flat iron will make me like my hair, because I'm about to cry. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. I only have one on teeth and the other one fell out, but whatever. So yeah, I like it now. It's not that great of an install, to be honest, but you know, it came out how it came out. This hair is great. This wig is amazing. I'm gonna tag the vendor that I got this hair from on Amazon, cause it's some good hair. The only thing I don't like is the actual like cap part. What is it? The net. I don't like the net. It's too light skin. Yeah, so I'm about to do my Halloween photo shoot. I'm waiting for my friend Vamp, who's gonna take the photos. He's on his way. And we're just gonna shoot it here at my house on my black wall that I love so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will be thumbnailing the photos from today in the thumbnail, so you can see the outcome of the shoot. Thank you guys for holding it down with me, because it was rough and I'm tired. I'm ready to go get some food and chill out for the rest of the day, and I have to work tomorrow, so yeah.
You know I keep it tasty, no, no, no. He gon' eat it like a pastry.